if I was a Mau back then, I would not have survived, but it would have been fun hiding around these places. And it's so cold. Woo. Oh, it's getting colder. What? If we played hide and seek here, nobody would ever get found. Nice. This is so nice. Can you guys hear the sound of the river? That is so calming. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We've just been told to be really careful. This is stinging nettle. Like, oh my god. If this thing stings you, ooh, it's not good. Not good. Can you guys hear that? Guys, this is the entrance of the caves. Woo. Oh my god. Stop. These are the caves. What? This is, but it's a bit chilly, guys. Guys, if this is not nature, I don't know what you call this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. This is beauty. Oh my god. Guys, can you see that? Like, these were the caves where the Mau used to hide. This is the entrance. Like, what? This is beautiful. This is amazing. This is genius. I think if they just stood out here and that just thought like, what are we going to do next? And that's why they gained that independence for us. This is so beautiful, guys. Can you see that? Wow. Can you see that? Wow. Can you hear the sound of the river? So amazing. Stop. Can you see the forest behind me? This is just super duper amazing. So calming. This is so natural. Like, stop, guys. I never thought like there was such a beautiful place out here. This is just beauty, beauty. I don't know what to describe. I don't know how to describe this, but I'm amazed. Wow, wow. This is a hidden gem. You guys should come and see it. You should come and see this hidden gem. Guys, this is the entrance, and you get into this massive. I think people have engraved their names out here. I wonder, were they sleeping here? Yes, of course they were. This was their hideout. You can see names up here. Okay, I don't know if that is from like the Mau era, but you can see this one came here into 2024. So, all right. This is so massive, guys. This is so massive. Stop. And it's quite chilly. I wonder how they survived back in the day because they didn't have warm clothes like us. So that's a question we should be asking them. I'll look for one Mau fighter and ask them how they survived in these cold caves. Okay, let's go, guys. Was there like a place where like the leader was sleeping at or was staying at? I wonder how that goes, like how that went by because but you see like is that into hole right there? Was that like a no wait, that was their back door. Okay, let's go see this back door. This back this back door was so advanced. I think they were crawling out of this place. Okay, I'm not that tall. I'm tall, but I'm not that tall. If I were to live in a cave, that would be my position. In a corner somewhere. In a corner somewhere, just sleeping and dozing. What are these? Are these cones used like in that era? Can somebody give me a touch, please? imagine sleeping here? Can you imagine sleeping here? They did their best. They did a lot. They did their best. That's so amazing. I think we should just go on, go on. Let's go, let's go. Guys, don't come here in a tank top, in a crop top, in a vest top. No, it's really cold. I have a jacket on and it's still cold. Crazy. I'm doing all this for you, so make sure you subscribe, like, and also comment and share. So let's go, guys. What? Something just flew by. What is that? That is a bat. Stop. Can you guys see? Like, this was like a whole bedroom, a whole, like divided spaces, because this is a way that they used. This is like a way that they used to go somewhere. Oh, this is amazing. This was also another point. Can you guys see that? Imagine spending 24 hours right there. What? Okay, where were they cooking for? Ooh, that's a bat. Did you guys catch that? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hi. This is a bit scary. It's cold. Can you guys see the number of bats? See the bats over there. Can you guys see? Those are bats flying around. Okay, let's go, let's go. Woo! And like animals can't hide too. Have you found one? Never, you can see there. Oh, footsteps. Okay. Okay. Hyenas. There's so many of these boys. Okay. Antelopes. Okay. And what season do they like come in here? What season do you mostly find like their footsteps? The rainy season, the sunny season, or maybe the rainy season? They come. They come to hide. Okay. During the night. Oh. Hapo hivyo natokea juu. Kitchen. Okay. So you can yeah. What are these points for? Like the small holes and the big entrance at the side. Mau, Eliza, fighting. Let's go. Guys. That is the river, guys. That's the river where they fetch their water for cooking. It's during the rainy season and we don't want anyone falling or risking their lives. But we will go next time, right? Any kind of. Yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Now imagine us tapping the water like this. Nakukhada. Oh. Oh, this is the picture. Suits on top. Like I've just touched the Mau era suit. You guys, can you guys see that? Then we're being told that is where they kept the sufurias, the utensils. Yeah. That's amazing. Super duper amazing. Was that the entrance to the like giving the people food? Look from this point. Then they had a lot of work. This is the stones. What? I am amazed. Guys, can you imagine that? And how many like utensils did they have? Like what were the utensils back then? I can imagine like the cooking spoons they would get them from the trees, but what is this white thing? I have a question. What is this white thing? These white things? What? This is amazing. Did you guys see that? Was this a hideout or something like that? I think so. What? Sometimes I feel sorry for those who lived like a long time ago. Well, but they did a lot, like a lot. This is so amazing. So guys, we've just been told like we can go back. We can go to the other caves because um they collapsed. Some parts collapsed, so we can't like get there. But I don't know if they can fix that. But it's some that was something that was so natural, like you can't fix it. So guys, if you guys want a part 2 when it has not rained, I will come and take you down to the river, because I can only imagine how cute and how beautiful the river looks. Stinging nettle, and if that stings you, if that gets on your skin, it's a story for another day. Oh, you guys see that? That's the entrance. We're back to the entrance. Guys, can you imagine? Like, I don't know, but I'm amazed. The sun, I think this should be a picture. This is a perfect picture. So guys, this is hidden gem number 1. Let's see where number 2 takes us. Let's go. Guys, I love you. If you guys would want me to spend a whole night in these caves, just comment down below, because I would do it for you guys, and I would have to do a lot to do that. And if you guys don't, then I won't. But if you do, I will. For you, I will. So guys, I will see you. I will see you next as we go to the nursery. Let's go. Ooh. Guys, I just want to represent our brand, and we're going to write a love on this because people are writing, eh? There should be right. Nice, very nice. Thank you. Somebody has done it for me. Come. This is Eliza Love. Can you see that, guys? This is the E. The E to the L to the I to the Z to the A to the L to the O to the V to the E. The E. The E is not that visible, but you guys get the picture, okay? Yeah. Okay. Guys, I think you need a lot of strength to, you know, do all that. Hey, Eliza Love. So if they asked for people who are MAUS, Eliza Love would appear on their list. Let's go, guys. Why? You guys, oh my god. Tears of joy. See you. Bye, Eliza Love. Bye. See you as you see me. I'm living as a Mau. Hiya. The sting that got my knee. Hey. That's bitter. Let's go back. Then I'll show you guys the tree nursery so that you guys who are tree enthusiasts. Nature is just beautiful. We at the entrance, and this is the nursery. Wow, look at this, guys. Like, I wish they were they stayed this small. Can you see that? They stayed this small and they're so cute. Look until that other part. Okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. I'm consoling this big guy. So guys, we have come to the end of this amazing video because guys, I've just been as surprised as you have. Those guys used to cook there. Just comment down below if you were living in that time, would you have survived? Because personally, it would have been hard. But I can survive, but it would have been so hard. What? So guys, with that said, always remember that you're an amazing person. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. I told you guys the challenge. If you'd want that, just comment down below. It will take a lot, so you guys must share the video, share it widely. Like, we have to do this now, guys. We have to do this. We have to make that point. And because I know you will do that, and because I know you've already done that, you are my sugar pie, honey pie, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie, and I love you so. And I want you to know that I love you so much, guys. Stay gold. See you next time. Bye.